Porsche revealed the interior of the new Cayenne that will have premiere in April this year. The new Cayenne will feature a groundbreaking display and control concept. The deluxe cockpit takes elements of the Taycan electric sports car and includes a curved and freestanding 12.6-inch digital instrument cluster with variable display options, a redesigned central console, and the latest generation steering wheel matching the wheel found in 911. The gear selector for the automatic transmission is now located to the right of the steering wheel. This creates space for a large air conditioning controller in a sophisticated black panel design on the center console. A high-resolution 12.3-inch display represents the control center of Porsche communication management, and a completely new feature in the Porsche Cayenne is the optional 10.9-inch passenger display. Optimized connectivity functions round off the interior concept. Tell me in the comments how do you like it and subscribe for the full reveal.